How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes. Check this little bad boy out. It's Harley Davidson 883 Iron. And look at it, proper customised little thing is this. Everything's been changed on it, but we'll go through that in a second. Some facts and figures. It's a 2016 on a 16 plate. It's on 12,658 miles, and it's just a weapon. Honestly, it's had loads of money spent on it. You do not have to spend a penny on this bike, because everything's been done. As you can see, it's got the Daymaker LED headlight there. It's got aftermarket indicators, aftermarket grips, it's got flat bars, the tank has been lifted, stage 1 as well, so it's got the Screaming Eagle induction there, it's got some aftermarket pipes which just sound the nuts. Forward controls, it's got the billet footrest there which you can see, the seat's been customised, oil pressure gauge been changed, it's got a billet fuel cap there. The clock is on the side of the bike, which you'll see in a second. Different mirrors, side mount plate. It's got the progressive lowered shocks as well. It's got a little saddle bag at the side, which if Mr. Cameraman can come round and show you, I'll jump out of the way. It's just a weapon of a thing, honestly. Everything's been changed, looks the business. It will not be up for sale long at all. These things sell like hotcakes. And because this one's had everything done to it, I should imagine it'll be sold pretty sharpish. But yeah, read the advert. I'm sure I've missed a couple of little things on it, but if you read the advert, everything's been listed as it should. But let's give it a fire up anyway, because it sounds a bit cheeky. Boom! Jesus, honestly, it sounds an absolute beast. Anyway, if you want it, like I said, it won't be up for sale for very long. So if you do want it, get your name on it, give us a call or pop on down. Thank you very much. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.